Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Obi Ani spin from Star Wars. This is what the spin looks like. It's really, I'm not going to say easy to learn, it's not super easy to learn, but it's really cool once you learn. It's really simple to get the steps down, but really hard to master. Alright, let's just get straight into that. Oh, and I also wanted to say thank you for 20 subscribers. I know it's a small number, but like, it means a lot to me. Like, 20 subscribers, that's a pretty big milestone, honestly. Like, 20 people have watched my videos and subscribed. Like, cool, that's really cool. Alright, first step is, well, you need a lightsaber. It doesn't really have to like light up, like, it can be a stick from outside. It doesn't have to light up, doesn't have to make noises, doesn't have to be super expensive or cool looking. Like, honestly, mine is just really simple. Like, it's got the button, hilt design is really simple, and then it lights up. It was like 40 bucks on Amazon. So, yeah, really not that expensive. You can find these at like Target, just like the ones that you like throw them out, and they like retract and stuff. It doesn't have to be super expensive, like a $200 one. It just has to be long, I guess. Okay, step 2 is you need a big open space to be able to spin your lightsaber. I suggest doing it outside in a grassy patch of land, so if you drop it, it's not gonna break. So like, I just suggest not doing it in like a parking lot on concrete, because if you drop it, it will break, most likely. And so when you're first learning it, I suggest having a big open ceiling, like a big ceiling. I'll show you mine. So my ceiling isn't very particularly tall. I mean, like, if I was gonna spin really high up, I might hit the ceiling, but our big open foyer on the other side of this wall is preoccupied right now, so I can't spin in there. Alright, so that was step 2. Just make sure you have a big open space, make sure you're not going to hit anything. I've been practicing for a while, so I'm not concerned about hitting my fan up here. It's out of frame, but I promise you, there's a fan. Alright, step 3. This is where we actually get into the spinning part. We're going to be learning how to do this spin, this simple spin. It's pretty easy to learn, but again, pretty hard to master and make it actually look good. If you already know that, you can skip ahead a few seconds. I will leave a timestamp down in the description, so you can go click down there and switch to different parts of the video. Alright, so if you don't know how to do this spin, what we're going to do first is we're going to stick the lightsaber out from our body with a shoulder wide stance. Alright, make sure it's shoulder wide. I mean, actually, I guess, you know, your stance doesn't really matter. You can stand however you want. Like, you can stand like this with your legs like super wide apart. It doesn't really matter how you stand. You can stand like a sumo squat. It doesn't matter how you stand. You just have to be standing. It makes it a lot easier. Alright, so you're going to stick the lightsaber out from you, like out from your body like this. Put it straight up, and then you're going to point it away from your body, and then twist your wrist so that the hilt of the lightsaber is on the inside of your forearm. Then you're going to drop it so that you're holding it between your thumb and your pointer finger, just like this. You're just going to be holding it like this between your thumb and your pointer finger. And once you're holding it there, you can retighten your grip and bring it back around. So again, point, then twist your wrist so that the hilt is on the inside of your arm. Then drop it so that it's just dangling between your thumb and your forefinger. Then retighten your grip and bring it back around. It should look something like that. Once you've mastered it with your arm straight out from your body, you're gonna glue your elbow to your hip and just practice doing this in succession. Doesn't matter how perfect it is. Just doesn't matter how perfect it is. You just have to practice it in succession like this. And this part of your arm can move, but try not to move anything above your elbow. So keep that, everything from your shoulder to your elbow static, but you can move this around. So you can kind of like throw it forward, get it started with good momentum, and then just do it as many times as you can. Alright, step 4. You are going to do the rest of the Obi Ani spin. So we just learned this. That's how you start the Obi Ani spin, then go into the rest of it. Just like that. So we're going to be learning that part. So now we're going to be learning this part. Can you stop? Now we're going to be learning this part. So for the 4th step, to start the 4th step, we're going to do the same first step of the 3rd step. So we're going to put the lightsaber straight out from our body, right? Make sure that I didn't mention this before, make sure that you're holding the lightsaber right at the choke point. Just makes it a lot easier. So like right at the center of balance, like right where it's perfectly balanced. Mine is like there-ish. So that's where I hold it. Just makes it a lot easier to spin. Alright, like some lightsabers, the hilt is longer, it's like down here, so then your choke point might be like here. But for my lightsaber, choke point is up here. It's just more comfortable to grip it up there. Alright, so once you found the choke point, you're gonna, for the 4th step, you're gonna put your arm straight out from your body, just like this, and then you're gonna point it. But instead of twisting your wrist so that the hilt is on the inside of your arm, you're going to tilt it so it's on the outside of your arm. Alright, so put it straight off from your body, point, twist your wrist so that the hilt is on the outside of your arm. Then you're going to bring it down like this. Let's adjust the camera angle. So you're going to bring it from this position, you're going to bring it down. Then you're going to glue your fist to your hip temporarily and put the lightsaber behind you like this. Next step, once you get here, is you're gonna rotate your body and bring this lightsaber back around. So from here, you're gonna rotate your body and drag the lightsaber across your body. If you were in Star Wars, that would have sliced your legs off, but it's a prop lightsaber, it's not gonna cut you. So you can just practice by dragging the lightsaber blade across your body, just like that. So you can start here, and then rotate, and you'll get faster at it, so you don't have to drag it along your body anymore. So then you can just do that really fast. Alright, and that is how you learn the Obi Ani spin in 4 easy steps. You guys can go and rewatch the steps as many times as you want. But yeah, once you've mastered the 1st step, 2nd step should be pretty easy. Just point, twist, put it down, and then bring it back around. And then once you put those 2 steps together, your spin should look something like this. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like for more. I will be trying to post a little bit more. It's just been really hard for me because I've been really busy lately, so I'm sorry about that. But if you guys like Star Wars, then be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a like. So yeah. Alright, see you guys later.